Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be doing a review of the Kdenlive video editor for Linux. For today, I'm using Ubuntu Mate. If you don't have Ubuntu Mate or the GNOME software sensor, there will be links in the description to videos that explain how to get them. Also, I will have a tutorial video on how to use and operate Kdenlive. To get Kdenlive, you need to go to the software center. Then you need to go to the top left corner and search Kdenlive. When you find Kdenlive, there'll be a button that says install. You want to click that, and then it will ask you for a password. You need to put in the password that you made when you first installed Ubuntu Mate, and then it will start to install. Kdenlive Video Editor is a great free software that you can use on many platforms, including Mac, FreeBSD, Linux, and Windows. Kdenlive is great for beginner video editors. Kdenlive has many features, including it has editing with a timeline and a batch mode. It supports an unlimited number of videos and audio tracks. Kdenlive has many effects and video transitions. For example, you get clip rotations, blue screen, masking, and many more. There are also many audio effects, including pitch shifting, volume adjustment, and many more. You also have access to tools that help you crop, move, and delete different clips. So when you first open Kdenlive, you will see this menu. You will see the video menu, the audio bars, the file menu, the display of project and video, the effects menu, and the project menu. Kdenlive offers many keyboard shortcuts to make your editing process fast and easy. Kdenlive is a great software for beginners to learn and work with video editing. There are many effects and tools that help make the video editing experience easy. The great thing about this software is that it is 100% free. Also, Kdenlive can be very easy to use if you put in the time to learn about and practice using the software. So here we have alpha and transform effects, analysis and data effects, audio correction effects, color effects, and image adjustment effects. And then this button right here is where it will pop up with your file system, and then you can put it in this section right here, and then you just need to click on it and drag and drop into the video or the project menu. This is where the project will play. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.